We're in Byron Bay today, and normally me and Dan love coming to Byron Bay, but today we've got the job from hell. It's a job that most arborists, just all arborists, I'm going to have to say the B word, Bougainvillea. Dan's just starting on it now, but this is a nightmare. He has to wear welding gloves to handle the Bougainvillea, because the thorns on it are deadly, and even with welding gloves you can still sometimes get a pinch from the thorns. Do we have the technology?
Yes, we have the technology.
We can rebuild him. That's a quote from the Bardic Man. I say just nibble, what do you reckon?
Yeah.
Nibblage. Got a load of removals to take out, a lot of clutter. I kind of like these jobs because at the end of the day, I'm pretty sure the client will be stoked with what we've done. We're really going to open the garden up. People become a little bit sentimental with stuff, and a small garden like this, it's just not necessary to have so much vegetation and plants and stuff. I don't think it's been really well thought out. So we're going to get rid of a lot of stuff, everything with pink on it. And at the end of the day, it's going to be left with a nice open space, which I think he will really enjoy. So I'll keep you posted as the job progresses. Excuse me. Yes. Sorry. I think that deserves a round of applause.
Well done.
That's better.
Yeah. Fantastic. Superb. And you'll be on TV tonight.
Why is that?
Oh, well.
Oh my God. Stinky?
Yeah.
Where's my round of applause? Thank you. We had a bit of a change of plan there. We're going to do recording as while we were working away with Dan in the basket of the cherry picker, but it was an absolute nightmare of a job. And Dan, I think, was just getting a little bit overwhelmed with what had to be done. So I jumped in the basket of the cherry picker, and I don't know if you can see, put it all down. That's half the battle. Just flip this around. This is about a quarter of what came down to the ground, and it's all tangled up, so we've just been chopping it up and dragging it down in small bits and trying to feed it in the chipper and getting ripped to shreds in the process. But it's made a huge difference. The guy, we haven't even finished, and the guys is stoked at what we've done, the amount of light that's come in. So we've got this little rain, golden rain elm to take out, little tuckaroo, a little bit of a crappy shrub there, just bring that stuff on the fence down to head height. Some golden cane to take out. We've already taken some out. We've taken the mango and a little bit of some crap out. Just clean this up and we're done. Okay, we're done here. The job from hell, the Bougainvillea. It wasn't too bad, but I've got to be honest, at one stage I was thinking, oh, we're not going to get done today. But we caught a break. It was all tangled up, and I did like a couple of strategic cuts, and it just came off in one big, massive, satisfying lump. Dan's just giving the place the final blow, leaving the place, I think, better than we found it. The guy's has come out and had a look at what we've done, and he's stoked. He said he's never seen so much light in this place, so job well done, if I say so myself.